Samsung Galaxy A54 is a great mid-range device, and one of the impressive features is that it supports both dual SIM cards or a combination of a SIM card and a microSD card. In this video, we'll go through using dual SIM cards and some usual features related to it, and we'll share a separate video for using microSD cards very soon. To set it up, we'll need two SIM cards. I'll be using one for 3UK and Lebara, and a SIM ejector tool. Any will do, even one as crooked as this one. The SIM card slot is at the top, so let's take it out. We have two slots. The first one is just a SIM1 slot for your main SIM card, and the second one can take either the second SIM card or a microSD card. Let's put the main SIM card into slot 1, making sure that the cut corner is at the bottom left and the pins are facing upwards. If it's installed correctly, you should hear a clicking sound. The second SIM fits horizontally, with the cut at the bottom right, so make sure to fit it like that. To insert the SIM tray back, align the ejector tool holes and put it back in. What's great is that as soon as the SIM cards were connected, Samsung's OneUI popped up the SIM Manager window. This is one of the most important sections of the menu for us. If it doesn't pop up for you straight away, you can drop the notification shade, go to Settings, click on Connections at the top and select SIM Manager towards the middle of the screen. In here we have a few sections. The top one is SIM card configuration. You can switch them on or off from here, and clicking on one, you can either change the icon, maybe to travel, business or something else, or change the name to something easy to remember, like the network or type of the card. Below you can add an eSIM. If you'd like a separate video about it, please do let us know in the comments below. The most important part is the preferred SIM section. In here you can select which SIM card will be the primary for calls. It can either be SIM1, SIM2 or always ask. If you go with the last option, whenever you make a call, you'll be asked which SIM card to use. It's probably not ideal unless you have very specific reasons for it. But you can make it a bit more useful by assigning specific numbers to specific SIM cards. Maybe I want to call my friends and family from my SIM1, but call a customer or client from a second phone number. That can be done by going to your contacts, holding the person's name for a couple of seconds, pressing the More button and selecting SIM for calls. You can either force SIM1, 2, or go with the default SIM card setting. What's great in OneUI 5.1 is that you can quickly access the defaults menu from the notification shade once you pull it down the second time. Here you can also select which SIM card should be the default for calls. Receiving calls is automated. If both of your SIM cards are enabled, you will be able to answer that call and you will see which card it's coming from. Here, my wife is calling my SIM1, as you can see by the icon at the top. But she can also call my SIM2 card without me having to do anything, and I can see the green 2, or whatever icon I selected, at the top. It's a fantastic feature. Coming back to the default SIM cards, you can do the same for text messages. However, there's no always ask option. You can just choose between the first and the second. Similarly, with mobile data, you can also choose either the first or the second SIM, or just disable mobile data altogether. It's useful if you have larger allowance on one SIM card, or when you're traveling and want to use a specific network while roaming. Please remember about incurring extra costs. I recently had to pay around £40 for accidentally using data in Qatar. Lesson learned. Again, you can change those settings in the notification shade as well. And that's it for the dual SIM card video on the Samsung A54. A great feature if you need a separate work SIM or an extra SIM when traveling. Being able to control exactly how your calls, messages and data is routed is definitely powerful, so make sure to make good use of all the features mentioned earlier. Let us know if we missed any other information, and if you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to not miss the upcoming SD card video and the long-term review of the Samsung A54 5G. But for now, thanks for watching!